full gazy, okay, let's check it. Yeah, let's check it. Full gazy, it's too crazy. Oh yeah, these shoes made me go far, man. I was really going hard, man. This a freestyle for you, man, and only.
We're here, guys, the waterfalls. You'll see the description down below. Let's go. Watch your step, kid.
Guys, this is so scary. Guys, and remember, stay tuned because we might do some crazy stuff. Yeah, and I might even do something crazy. All right, guys.
Mommy, we're in the rain.
Guys, we're going. All right, Pops, you ready?
You recording?
Yep. Guys, stay tuned because we're gonna do some crazy stuff, and I might even jump off.
We out here.
Papa, say what I'm about to jump off.
He thinks he's gonna jump off a cliff, but we'll see, man.
No. Hey, we don't know, guys. If it's too tall for me, then I'll just like give up, you know, guys. Like, it's not too bad, but like, I think it might be a little short though, or maybe like very big. No. So yeah, guys, let's go.
All right. Go, go, go.
This one is steep.
Okay. Oh, Eli.
This one.
Eli, be careful right here.
This one.
Me and him.
I'm gonna stop recording.
All right.
Yo, Papa, go straight.
Haley, what's up, man?
What's up?
I don't know what these boys are doing, man. Oh, I think he's gonna go for it, guys. I think he's gonna go for it.
Papa, they're not gonna do it.
I'm recording this and this guy hasn't even jumped off the damn thing yet. What do you think, bro?
Bro, there's a slide right there that I think I could go down.
Oh, right there?
Yeah, you see it? Yeah. Alright, come on.
What? What?
The fish.
Oh, I got you.
Okay.
You ready?
No.
Oh, we can't stand on that.
Wait, come closer. Go closer. I did it! Wait, we're going up there?
No.
Wait, what?
You can barely go here.
Oh, really? You want to pet that? You want to pet
Yo.
that?
Let's go.
Hold on, wait, can I see the GoPro?
Just got
Olivia, you're not jumping. I don't know who told you were going to be jumping at all. So get that out of your mind, okay? Oh!
Well, I wish that could be them.
I hope those words didn't come out of the mouth at all.
Oh. Wow, you probably need one, you don't probably want one.
Huh? Yeah, I did. Piense, Ola, piense. Mira, there's a white fish in there.
Is it what?
A white fish in there. A white fish in there. I saw a white fish swimming. Oh! Uh-oh. La sensación de serie, ¿verdad? ¡Uy! ¡Uy! Hay una piedra aquí, yo no sé ni por qué profundidad y después de eso. Mira, se puede ver el selfie cuando uno lo hace. Está chévere, está buena. ¡A ver! ¡Madre! ¡Uy! ¡Uy! ¡Ahí está! Hay que estar pendiente, hay que estar pendiente.
Mommy, I'm recording you right now.
¿Dónde tú pusiste el grado, mami? ¿Dónde tú pusiste el grado?
Pero tiene espalda.
Oh.
Hi guys, we're at the waterfall of Puerto Rico. This is so cool.